Hi, Philip here from Case with a short but for us really big update. Most of you probably know that we collect an absurd amount of data worldwide to make university degrees comparable. We started as a research project as early as 2015, started to cover Germany, then other European markets. In the last year, we developed a dedicated product for India and China and then the US. And this week we managed to reach a global coverage, which means we have global data and we can compare university degrees from all around the world, taking into account all the different grading systems, all different grading standards, different performance of students at different universities in different subject fields. And I just want to give you a super quick demo of how that works. So what you see here is this is our website, case-score.com. You can select the countries. You see it's not just the countries that we covered initially, but it's all around the world. We have a very good university matching. So once you start typing HKUST University that Max and I studied in at Hong Kong, the program recognizes it. If you type TUM, it knows it's the Technical University of Munich. This works for all 30,000 universities worldwide. You can select the degree, the graduation year, the subject. Also there we have an NLP model that recognizes the subject. You can insert a grade, and right away you see how well you did locally. So within your study program, this is grading data from the bachelor program at the Technical University of Munich in civil engineering, and you see that they grade rather harshly there. So with this grade, you're already among the top 14%, and then we have different comparison metrics. We compare you within the subject area. Within Germany, we have a score that compares you with all German students, and now we also have a score that compares you globally with all students around the world. Of course, this is a huge amount of effort, so you can also just upload an Excel file here. You see it there. I prepared an Excel file. You see that all the degrees are from all around the world. The universities are free text fields, so they are not been standardized or categorized. The same applies to the subjects. So there, our algorithms are really good, have gotten really good in the last years to recognize universities and subjects. You can just paste it there, upload it, start the analysis. Everything is sent to our API, and you can look at the results right here in the web interface. But of course, most of our customers use this via directly talking to our API. So we pull the data, the educational data, not personalized data, by the way, just education data from the ATS system of our customers, then standardize it and score it via our API and send the scores back. And there you've just seen also an example from Portuguese university. And as I said, this is a really big thing for us because we've been working on this for initially 8 years, essentially 8 years now. And now we have a global coverage. So if you want to know more, talk to me, text me. You can try this out. We have a free tier on the website. So if you want to compare degrees, you can just log on, and with a certain amount of credits, you can start right away comparing degrees. And maybe one final reminder: this is not just a scoring, but we've run all the research and more than 30 studies to show that this actually predicts not just who is hired, but also who will do a really good job after being hired. So we use a lot of data from, on average, 5 to 6 years in higher education. And this long-term estimate is really predictive also for HR departments, and of course also very interesting for students. So that was my announcement. Super excited. Thank you to everyone at Case who helped make this happen. And have fun trying it out.